These hide steps from Mountain Off-Road Enterprises for quite a while. Started with this one for the kids to get in the back. Then I added one for the wife to get in, and then I got 2 more for the other side. These are really nice. They're a little bit expensive. I think it's $175-ish retail for colored ones, and they snap back up into place. They're quick release. There's 2 quick release pins, so you can take them right off. It's not. Okay, so we're gonna do a little project. It is storming outside, and kind of put a kibosh on what I want to do. So we're gonna do another little project today, and it's just a little accessory to help the short ones get in and out of the Jeep. I've had these hide steps from Mountain Off-Road Enterprises for quite a while. Started with this one for the kids to get in the back. Then I added one for the wife to get in, and then I got 2 more for the other side. These are really nice. They're a little bit expensive. I think it's $175-ish retail for colored ones, and they snap back up into place. They're quick release. There's 2 quick release pins, so you can take them right off. It's not, I'll be honest, it's not really quick to get them off or on, especially when they're dirty. But they are a nice little add-on. It doesn't make you use anything permanent, and they really work getting in and out of the Jeep. So let's see what we got. Got the box here. Got it already open because you can only do so much with one hand. They do a nice job of packaging. I got 2 more. And these only work with the factory rock rails. So if you've got something else, it's not gonna, it probably won't work. But a lot of people don't like those factory rock rails, and they aren't the greatest, but they work for me. So I am going to keep using them. So there's the quick release pins. It's 2 per step, and then they got some extra hardware. If you've got something else going on, I can't remember what it is, but I don't have it. All we need, these just go up underneath the rock rail, and once they're in, you just put those on and we'll go. So let me get these opened up, and then we'll go to the next. Okay, so here they are unpackaged. These are the brackets that are going to mount to the Jeep, and these go on with the 2 quick release pins. And the hardware is in case you don't have the rock rails and you just have the pinch seams. They give you the hardware so you can still put these on. But we've got the rock rails, so it's pretty simple. You just loosen the bolts on the brackets and then the nuts and slide it out, slide the bracket in, tighten it, and you're good to go. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've got that one, we've got that one, and we've got that one. We're going to loosen that one. We need to take this one and that one all the way out, and it's a 13 millimeter, so I'm going to get some dust in here. And now we got to get the nuts off of here, 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 and here, and those are 10 millimeter. Alright, so a little cheat code to get these on easier. You can set them on a flat surface, pull the spring over, put a wire tie through there, zip it off, and these will go in like butter. I would be careful handling them though, so you're not don't have your fingers where the spring would open, in case that wire tie snaps. Okay, so I don't know if you can really see it real well, but another little pro tip after the wire tie to get that out of your way is you need to get these nuts on and keep them loose and get everything centered, and you might have to use, you know, a little attitude adjuster to get that in there. Then you can pull these nuts tight, and then that should give me enough clearance to get a socket in there and make that easier. So let me go do the other one, and then we'll get this tightened up. Situated, and you want to do the bottom first. Well, this doesn't want to even fucking go in. It's not good. Oh, it's working fine. We need to spread that out a little bit. Loosen this again. Okay. Let's see if this wants to work now. There we go. So if you get the first one going, then you can just come over to this side, get the hole lined up, and see it in. Easy peasy. And then this one you want to go in from this way. And you got to pull that down. And again, that spring is pretty strong, so you want to be a little bit careful. You could break a finger. But get it in, and you get to see the other side. Get it through, and voila. So there it is. High step complete. Love it. Light over here so I can see what I'm doing. And it looks like you gotta loosen that up too. Oh, tarnation. This side. Easy peasy. And again, this side you want to go in through this way. So and that's what we have the attitude adjuster for. There it's in. Now we can tighten those nuts back up. 2 height of steps. Mountain Off-Road Enterprises. Not the easiest install in the world, but certainly not the worst. And again, very functional, great. So you can have a step for people getting out of the Jeep and get them off in 5 minutes. You'd have to store them somewhere, and they are heavy, so you want to make sure you secure them. But definitely recommend them. Thanks for watching.